man. Oh, man, well, that's it. That's a good thing. You're doing something right. What's the secret?
I don't know.
I don't know. What's the fountain of youth? Oh, all right. That really helps. So it's something we can showcase here because I got my videographer right next to me. He happens to be right here. So,
Well, we can show you. What do you want to show us?
well, I want to tell everybody where we are first. So, guys, we're over here at NAVAC with the NAVAC booth here at the Johnstone party, baby. It's a party. It is a party by Louie the Boiler Man, the Hvac Papi here. So, guys, you know about me. I'm telling you, I'm about toys. And what type of toys we talking about? We're talking about the beautiful tools we have right here on display right here with NAVAC. I'm talking about vacuum pumps. I'm talking about gauges, digital gauges. I'm talking about testers, benders. Listen, you name it, we got it, baby. Come on down, I'm gonna show you. So tell everybody out there who you are and what you do.
My name's Steve Brady. I'm a rep for NAVAC. We've been repping them for about 6 to 7 years now. And this line from 7 years ago to now is night and day. We have a ton of tools. And I want to show you our best-selling tool in the country right now.
Yo, it's tons. I'm gonna go around the other side with you guys. I mean, listen, I gotta show everybody out here these tools. Guys, listen, this is Christmas right now. Christmas Day here. Christmas came early, baby.
All right, so we have our flaring tool here, right? This thing comes with all sorts of clamps. 1/4 inch to about 3/4.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our stopper here,
A stopper.
our clamp,
Okay.
with the stopper. As you can see for the camera,
Take a look at that, guys. Stopper.
right up against that. It's gonna give you the perfect depth every time.
Oh.
All we do is drop it where those lines meet the arrows here. You guys can see that. You can see that here. Then we're gonna clamp, and then we're gonna 1-button push. And just like that, we now have flared for a 45-degree flare. So now this, for mini splits, we have this in every mini split facility right now. That's how they're doing their flare. So
Wow.
as you see here, there's a clutch built in. So the clutch is gonna stop at 45 degrees, and once it's done, it's gonna back itself off all on its own. So as we stop it here and then make the noise, unclamp,
Woo, check that shit out, baby.
and every time you're getting that perfect flare.
Looking,
every single
it's like the perfect vagina. Guys, I'm telling you about. Beautiful.
And look, I'll even use this. One of our newest tools. We have our hydraulic expander. I'll use this right on the flare head. Obviously, we don't do this in real life. I'm just doing it for demo purposes.
Do it, baby. Do it, baby.
So watch this. Normal hydraulic expanders don't have a clutch. When we use this, you can try to split it. It won't split. As
Keep
we
pumping.
continue,
Keep
it
pumping.
pops right off. Get
Wow.
the optimal depth. Perfect every single time.
Listen, perfect pump, perfect depth, perfect flare.
Look at that.
Woo!
Even with the flare head on.
It's like a marriage made in heaven, baby. That's right. That's what I'm talking about.
There it is.
Oh man, what a goodies you have over here. What else you got over here? I mean, show about this because this shit looks cool.
So we got our NX1 and our NX4. Both of these are our smart probe, Bluetooth-enabled micron gauge. I mean, not micron. What's it called? Manifold gauge.
Manifold gauge.
They hook up to your phone as well as having all the readings right there on the screen itself. Even these probes have their own readings on their screens. You could use these by themselves because they have their own LED output.
Now this has a backlight or display light I can't see.
Yeah, it does. There you go.
Ooh la la, ooh la la.
It does all 72 refrigerants as well, A2L compatible.
Guys, I don't know about you, but if you don't have this in your arsenal, you don't have this in your tool bag, what are you waiting for? Guys, you guys supposed to have this in your tool bag. You want to make money? How do you make money?
Working.
But how do we make money?
Efficiently.
Oh, I like that word, efficiently. How else we make money?
Efficiently. How else do we make money?
Call NAVAC. You know what? Call Louie the Boiler Man. That's right. Listen, I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to help you out. I'll give you the cue, baby. What happened, man?
That's it.
I'm waiting for you. I was giving you.
I like that. I like that.
Listen, guys, you got to get NAVAC. NAVAC is one of the best tools right now, one of the leading tools in the industry. And guys, listen. Oh, the warranty?
Over-the-counter warranty. We don't send anything away. God forbid you guys have a problem with one of your tools, they'll give you a brand new one that day as long as it's warranty.
Over the counter, meaning no pendejadas, guys. That's what I'm talking about. No pendejadas.
For a month. You don't have to
That's
send it
right.
away for a
Listen,
month.
tell everybody that the Hvac Papi sent you, and tell you, my man, tell everybody again who you are.
Steve Brady.
Steve Brady.
Powerhouse Sales.
Are you related to Tom Brady?
I am not.
All right,
I have
buddy.
to tell you I am.
It sounds nice. So, guys, listen, you happen to be in the area right now. Come on down. You're missing out. But I will tell you one thing. Guys, if you're looking to get the best leading tools in the industry, come on down to NAVAC. Hey, Mr. Brady, I want to tell everybody out there, because they all know me as the Wepa Man. So, count of three, Wepa. 1, 2, 3, Wepa! No, you gotta do it again. We gotta do it one more time.
What are you saying? What are we saying?
Wepa means awesome.
Okay, got it.
Awesome.
All right.
In Latino. So we're gonna say 1, 2, 3. Wepa!
Better?
Much better, baby. I appreciate it, man. I like the energy.
No, yeah.
And it's cool, man. Hey, listen, I love this.
Sorry the table's a little out of whack. It's been
No, it's just
today, but hey, look. We got everything you guys need from tubing tools to vacuum pumps and manifold gauges.
How you set up this Mega 45?
How do you make that a 45?
Yeah.
So we'll show you right here. See this power button?
Okay.
Turn it on. Hold the forward down. You
Okay.
push that down.
Put it down.
When you have the pipe, push forward, yep. See how it's moving? When you have the pipe in there, this lines up 45 degrees.
Oh,
So
okay.
as soon as you see where the line, the pipe, as soon as the line's 45 degrees, that's got a clutch. So you go all the way through, we'll stop at 90, you can't go any further.
You have a pipe to demonstrate that?
I do.
All right. I like that. Some music to my ears. All right, let's see.
Demonstrated too.
All right, that's a deal. That's a deal right
Guy
there.
that's never used it before. Hold on, let me get a bigger pipe here.
Ooh, bigger pipes. Oh, shit. That's what she said. She wants a bigger pipe.
Gotta cut it.
Big pipe. That's what I'm talking about. Ladies love big pipe. Oh, that's definitely a big pipe. A long pipe, too.
You're messing around.
Not only is bigger, it's longer.
Nobody ever complained about that.
Woo. Ain't nobody ever complain about that. All right.
So,
Today we're gonna do this demonstration with El Tío. All right.
you got it there?
Yeah.
He's already set. 3/4,
Okay.
3/4 out, facing you, right? Now push it forward. Let it fly, bro. Let it go.
Well, oh,
Now,
baby.
keep going.
You going? That's it?
Stop at 45 if you
Oh,
want.
right there, 45. Oh, 45.
Or you keep going and send it to 9.
Oh, keep going.
They go to make a
9 degrees, yeah.
Keep going. Send it to 9.
So hold on. Oh, there we go.
Clutch. It stops on its own, right? That stopped on its own.
Yes.
Release the pressure.
Now you pull it back. Now, like every other tool, you don't even have to touch this watch. It'll release it all on its own. Like the ratchet gun, you have to bang it out. That thing just releases nice and soft. Look at that. Right here.
Woo, woo.
Look at that.
Oh, man. Nice. This is a gift for you, from me to you, Theo. Take the home with you.
90 right there.
Listen, you can't be in HVAC without having NAVAC.
So easy.
Hey, are we rapping now? We rapping, baby. All right, guys. Another one. Oh, I love goodies. I love me some goodies, guys.
There you go.
And this was it about. Listen, here, I'll give you mine right here. Don't worry, I get another one.
I'll get
Oh, all right.
I'll get another one.
It's good for the camera though. But guys, listen, listen, you're missing out. That's all I gotta say. Come on down. Love to see you here. Hey, if I don't see you here this year, I'll see you next year.
That's right.
Hueva.
Can somebody call Louie the Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can't bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room. It's cold outside. No need to freeze. Call Louie the Boiler Man. New York boiler and AC repair. Wepa.